And alcohol is simple reason.
Yeah.
You don't even have to know reason. It's just bad in general.
So here we are at the mini Malaysia.
Yeah.
And we're at the petting zoo.
I have to pay 5 ringgit.
What? Alia has given me a guided tour on all the houses. That's her house, by the way. She was born there. I'm joking. Oh my. They're getting a bit crazy. Oh, rabbits! Alia, rabbits! Oh my god!
They're going to feed them or something.
Bless! Oh my gosh, this is so cute. That chicken's looking at us like, oh my gosh.
It's a cute chicken.
That is.
Oh my god.
I think we ate his brother earlier.
Huh?
We might have eaten his brother. Cause it
Oh, it's starting to be funny, you know. Well, are you joking, right? No, you're starting to be funny, you know.
I was so serious earlier because you were all talking and I was like, oh. Right, we'll go round to see the bunny.
Look at that one.
They're following me! Oh my gosh! That was so scary. Let's go this way. Oh my gosh, Alia!
The chicken is scary because it can like move.
Alright, let's both run, ready? Let's both run this way. Ready? Go, go. This is so much. Look, the rabbits are there. Wait!
When you run, I want to go and play with the rabbit.
Alright, I'll run, ready?
Okay.
Go, kids, go, chickens, go! Chickens!
Oh, you want the rabbit guy?
Oh no! Oh, they're coming back to you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.